This is the movement in real time of Blepharisma, a ciliated protozoan. This one came from my garden pond and its shape reminds me of a baleen whale. Ciliates are a huge group of protozoa and are common everywhere there is water. The cilia are used for swimming, feeding and sensation. It's likely only 10% of ciliates have been discovered, and there's over 4,000 at the moment. There are at least 2 forms of Blepharisma present in this video, and in the whole world there's about 40 different types. Water is like a thick syrup for ciliates, and the cilia used for movement are like tiny paddles. Some ciliates move very fast, they're hard to spot, but in this case the Blepharisma swim slowly. Blepharisma has cilia fused to form an undulating membrane which is found around an oral groove used to gather food particles. Other cilia in the oral groove show metachronal movement, which is like waves caused by the wind blowing on a grain field. Blepharisma has a nucleus in the form of a string of beads. The morphology varies between different types and can be used in the classification of this organism.